you
Yeah.
ask them for
4
some
by
more?
6.
Yeah, tell them we need a whole box in here. Okay. Now, same thing here. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
ready, go ahead. Okay, one more.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You right there?
Yeah.
Almost done. You gonna get those tattoos of screws on your...
I don't think they'll let me work then. I have to cover my arm up. Huh?
Yeah, open one up.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
done.
Hey, how's it doing? So, here, we're going to send you upstairs.
Okay.
Okay.
Today?
Today.
Oh boy.
And they're going to make a splint for you.
Okay.
And I want you to wear the splint basically 24/7. We're not going to move the wrist right now.
Okay.
And but what we are going to do is really push you hard now to get those fingers moving.
Okay.
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 No restrictions on that.
Okay.
And then I'd like to see you back in let's see, I'll tell you what, let's have you come back next week. We'll re-x-ray it, and if everything looks good then we'll start moving your wrist.
Okay. Okay. Will I be doing therapy for the hands or doing for the fingers?
That's the main reason you're going upstairs. I mean, they'll make you the splint, but the main thing that I want is the therapy on the hands.
Starting the therapy, okay.